So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Hope we are good. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be sharing my live trading experience with you guys. I just actually entered this trade just few uh, minutes ago, and now I'm kind of down, just little bits in loss. Okay, you can see where the price is, but I think it's pushing me to profit. I'm just at my entry zone, so I'm trying to record this ahead of time. I will still bring back the outcome of this trade. Okay, this is like before. You can see it's a live chart, the price is moving, and my target is down here, right? So why am I sharing this with you guys? I want to share the process. I want to share what I'm doing behind the scene, before and after, right? So that it won't be, oh, it's just back testing, it's just this, it's just that. This is going to be a live trading experience. So I think I will be doing more of this. Okay, I do this on currency. So if you are not in my currency pair channel, the link is in the description of this video. You can actually go and check out videos on currency if you trade currency pairs, or even if you are not trading currency pairs. I think you can, most of what I discussed then, that the videos I drop on currency is price action videos, which you can actually use in trading any financial market, whether it's currency pairs, indices, synthetic indices, or maybe even cryptocurrencies. Okay, so um what I'm about to share again is why I entered the trade. Okay, why I entered the trade, and why am I so confident that the price is going to push in my favor. Before you actually enter a trade, you should be able to say, okay, you have checked in all odds, the price should go in your favor. So it's not like you will just like 100% you are sure the price going in your favor. No, but you have this higher probability of the price playing out well in your favor, right? So why do I even enter this trade? Why am I targeting here? And if you look here, we have risk reward of 1:3.5 or so. Okay, so now this is a very simple analysis. You don't need much um you know um lines or anything at all. So what I did is I opened my chart. The price, this is 15 minutes time frame anyways. Okay, so the first thing I saw, is the price dropping, and as the price dropping, the price is giving me the downtrending vibes. Okay, we're having the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so if you still look at the lows, we still have the same thing. At the lows, we have this movement right here. Let me use this. We have this right here, we have this right here, and we have this right here. Okay, so this, only seeing this, you clearly see the movement, the way the price is dropping. There is no confusion when it comes to the swings. The progression, the movement is just nice. It's just something you want to, like, take advantage of. Yeah, so there are some trend you see, or some market structure you see, you have this confidence of, okay, the price is going to play out well. It's not like you're 100% sure of what the price will do, but you are about 80 to 90% convinced of the price direction, right? So if you look right here, we also have the touches at this zone, how the price is dropping. Then there's something you also need to check. Even though for me this is a kind of a scalping, I'm not going to be holding the trade for a very long time. You can see I'm just targeting about down to this point. Okay, the previous swing low. Okay, so if I should zoom out, you're going to see that this is a kind of an uptrending market on this time frame. Okay, you can see the price pushing up. That's why I have my TP here, so that the price can actually, drop to, maybe the price might drop again to this trend line and push up again, right? It's possible. Or the price will break and keep dropping, but basically I'm just looking at the price dropping to at least this level, okay, before the price start doing any other thing. So the price can actually drop to this before going up, or the price can break it and keep pushing to the downside, okay. But one thing, the first thing I always want to see is to see a clear trend in market. So if it's a downtrend, this is a clear trending market to the downside. Whether you are scalping, okay, or whether you are holding the trade for a very long time, you can clearly see those swing, okay. Coming to the downside, you can clearly see those swing, okay. So now you know the next thing is a pullback. So when the price pull back to your zone, you are likely going to be selling more to the downside at that zone. So not just what this, okay, if you also look at that particular zone, my chart right there, you also see that the price actually created a kind of double top at that point, okay, kind of double top at that zone. So if you look, we had the price push from here to this side, closes down a bit, then push again, which I can equally just say is a double top pattern, just like what happened here, repeating itself again at that zone. So maybe in a smaller version. So, and I trade this kind of market structure or this kind of movement when the price approaches my level, maybe support, resistance, or trend line. I look for a pattern and I'll take my trade based on the pattern, okay. Then after this, what I simply did to filter out my entry point is simply to draw a trend line, okay, to draw a trend line that will show me the entry point where I'm going to be making entry, okay. So once the price closes below my trend line, okay, I actually made entry. So but basically once I see this and the price at that zone, I made my entry, guys. But probably if you want to wait a bit, you just wait for this particular bearish candle to close before you enter. But the double top I've seen here, the trend, the touches, the movement, I don't need any other confirmation for me to enter this trade, guys. All right, so some of these things, when you see them, you don't need much analysis, you don't need much chart breakdown or anything like that. You just make your entry and wait for the price to play out well, okay. That's for this particular setup, guys. So don't remember to subscribe to this channel if you are new, okay. Also like this video, okay. I'm just trying to share my live trading experience with you guys. Just I'll be doing more of dropping these so you guys to see how I trade, see those things live. And at the end of the day, I'm going to be bringing back, maybe if the TP at the end of the day was a kind of trigger, that is TP hit or the stop loss, okay. But I have this conviction that the price should drop to my TP level, right? So that's that, and I will be bringing back the outcome of this trade in the same video, guys. This is like 3 hours after I've made entry. I don't know whether it's up to 3 hours or so, and this is exactly the outcome. I shared everything with you guys, why I entered, my entry, and boom, you can see my TP have been smashed, and that is it. So if you want me to be creating this kind of video before I enter trade, a lot of people will be like, just back testing is easy, doing this is easy, or all those things. So I decided to change pattern now by creating maybe before and after I enter trade. I do it on currencies anyway. So if you are not subscribed to my currency page channel, I think you are going to see the link in the description of this video. You click subscribe, okay, and enjoy good content, guys. So if you want me to be creating this kind of video, share with you before I enter the trade, the reason why I'm entering the trade, my TP, my stop loss and all that, then after I'll share with you the TP, whether the TP is smashed or the stop loss is being hit. So whether it's going to end up in profit or loss, I don't know, and I don't have the power to push the price. But the only power I have is the edge I have, which is the strategy I have, the setup I use. Okay, so this is just like I think it should be 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago that I actually explained this. I made entry, my TP triggered. So that's for this trade. I've explained everything about this trade, so I don't have to go back and start explaining anything again. Please like this video. Please leave a comment on the kind of video you want me to create. If you want me to continue this series, okay, to do this as a series so that each time I enter trade, if I'm with my system, if I'm ready to record anything, I can actually record before and after. With that, we kind of experience my trading, okay, in this channel, and also learn from my entries and my exit point, my targets and all those things. I think is also important. So if you want me to continue creating this, drop a comment, okay, tell me to continue. Just drop continue this series or this kind of videos. Then if you also want me to go back to dropping more setups, or go and drop more mobile setups like all these indicators something, you can also drop continue with indicators or continue with setup, okay. So but if you like this kind of content, please drop continue with this back that is live trading like this one, okay. So that's exactly what I actually want to share with you in this video. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to my currency pair channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.